Literally, it was a scary day today. Like super freaking scary. Hey, welcome. Don't even know if I'm in focus. But story time before we jump into my Ipsy Glambag. I don't know why this bag is so huge. Unboxing. I woke up at, well, I was up at like 6, and by 6:30, I don't know, 6:37 in the morning, I got an email and it was like, you've been canceled. You're not gonna make no money on YouTube no more. I had my heart in my bow. Freaking geeking panicked. Because if y'all don't know, I lost my job in 2019. Obviously 2020 went to poo. YouTube has been my full-time job since the middle of 2019. This is how I pay my bills. This is how I afford my children. And this is how I survive. So if you want to subscribe, share the channel, share this video, that would be great. So yeah, to say that I literally like lost it, like I was telling my girl Johnny and Ann, I was like, great, my stomach was so jacked up, I'm probably gonna be constipated for the next 2 weeks. TMI, we're friends here, don't complain about it. So anyways, good news is there was some sort of weirdness that happened. They corrected it. It was a false alarm. Thank you, Jesus. That was scary. That was legitimately scary. I don't talk about finances ever on the channel, but real talk, that would have wreaked havoc. So anywho, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda. I talk a lot. Fun fact, Gemini with ADHD, and you clicked on a channel where the first word was hot mess. Okay, so if you're gonna complain, this isn't gonna be the channel for you. Judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Stress-free. We really need it to be stress-free. So anyways, today we are unbagging my Ipsy Glambag for October. Could not remember what month we were in because dang, it's been a day. So it's really weird. I'm not gonna show you guys like my information, but it's a heavier bag. And no, I didn't buy anything with add-ons. I'm thinking I didn't. I know I didn't. So I was kind of like, what is that? Why is it so heavy? But we're gonna find out. So let me get a thumbnail right quick. Anyways, so this bag now is literally pennies under $16 after tax in the state of Kentucky. So it used to be like 10, then 12, then 13. Was it ever 10? I don't know. I do want to let y'all know, shout out to Built Bar. They sent over some of their yummy pumpkin pie puffs. I'll be honest with you all, I have been eating the Built Bars for a while. They're a protein bar. And when they came out with the puffs kind of took over, and I eat more of the puff bars than I do the actual bar bars. The bar bars are good. Don't get me wrong. You get like 17 grams, yeah, 17 grams of protein in here. I preach all the time. I'm not on like a special diet or anything like that. I'm just on a middle-aged woman diet, I guess you could call it, where I try and get as much protein in my body as I can, because it's definitely something you need to look into if you are in your 40s. Definitely consider it. Oh, by the way, I am up to date on all the color shade matches. If you are curious, wanted a shade match with like the makeup that I have on, there is a form down in my description box, comment section, pinned, all of that. So thank you. I think Ashley was the last one to submit a color match form, so I got you, girl. I sent it back to you. So oh, don't forget, there is a giveaway also going on the channel right now. I will have a link to that video. It is 100% free, just like the color match is free. The video will be linked for you all. It is for the Alter Ego Harmony palette and the primer. Super easy. Do not be fooled. For the people that have taken my thumbnail, my profile picture, and have made other accounts, and they're commenting under y'all's comments saying, yay, congratulations, you've won, come over to Telegram, come over here, give me your money, blah, 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 blah. Don't do it. Do not do it, because I kept y'all safe. I kept me safe, you safe, we're all safe. There's a form in that giveaway video. Put all your information in that form. Do not click on any comment that is left under there. You will know you won because I will be sending you an email with a tracking number, because in that form I get your address, your email, all of that. So it is a safe way for me and you. Are you kidding me? This is scary. Granted, this is a padded envelope, but literally, here's my bag, and there was a palette right in front of it, which I'm very excited over. And it's wrapped in bubble wrap, but I'm praying that it's not broken, because I don't know about your mail system, but my mail system, I think they play football with my packages. So, all right, so this is Glam Babe Trend Beauty, and I am honestly shocked that I got that with my $16 bag. You've been watching Ipsy, you've been watching me whine and complain. So my bag is just plain black. For some reason I thought it had a design in there. Oh, there it is. With like a spider web design. It's on the back side, it's not on the front. And then you've got your little zipper. It has a spider on it. Oh, I don't like spiders. Oh God. All right, so let's get into this. Please don't be broken, my rug is white. How did that manage? Oh my gosh, it is a dupe palette. I've never heard of Trend Beauty, but this is a dupe for the Natasha Denona palette. Do y'all see that? So, that is very interesting. Yeah. That Natasha Denona palette was, I bought it in like 2018. So I actually have it. I've actually done Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money with it. Do you all want me to put this Trend Beauty up against it? Because I can certainly do that for you all. I'm low-key freaking excited that I have a potential new company to be buying these palettes from, because C-Color Cosmetics and Alter Ego have really been the only ones. Every so often I can find one at SheGlam and do, but I really don't feel like they really dupe too many. If they do, I'm missing it. So anyways, let me know if you guys have tried Trend Beauty before. I would assume, since this is a dupe palette, inspired by palette, this is probably a typically like $10 to $15 probably palette. There's no card. Let's see if there's one in my bag. There's a card in here, but the card doesn't have any information as far as that goes. So all right, so let's see here. The next item in here is, oh, the Kinder Beauty lip scrub. That's not been opened. I'm not going to open it because, let's be honest, I have a lot of lip scrubs floating around here. Okay, Ipsy. This is my paid for bag, y'all. Dang, Ipsy. Okay. I think this was my pick. This is, excuse me, I had coffee. Coffee burps. This is the Kapari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. I'm like 99% sure this is what I chose. And I can tell you all, this is full. This makes me extremely happy. You all may or may not know, like there's been times that I've gotten product and it's like to here. I'm like, why are we doing that? Why are we doing that? So, okay, this bag, brief intermission. I am shocked at this point because my Ipsy paid for bags, no joke, no lie, I've been questioning things. I'm like, what the heck? This is awful. Get it together, Ipsy. I've got 2 more products I can feel in my bag. They're doing really good. Oh, and while I've got a brief intermission, if you made it this far in the video, could you stick around? We're on a journey to 100K. And I know we're at 39.3K, but if you've made it this far, there's something enticing you. Whether it's the ADHD Gemini that talks with their hands nonstop, the fact that I make 15 left-hand turns and eventually circle back, I don't know what it is, but if you made it this far, please do your girl a favor and hit that subscribe button. Mama's got teens, got bills to pay. I also have another channel if you're interested, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I do plus size courier fashion hauls over there, so let's be friends there too. Okay. I'm in a weird mood today. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. Ipsy, very inexpensive, but actually a very good product. All right, so this is the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. Now, when they actually launched this, e.l.f. had actually sent me a PR package. I don't think they like me anymore. Not for sure why, because I like them, but I don't get their PR anymore. But I will tell you all, this is a good mascara. I really like it, and I was sad when it dried up because it reminded me a lot of the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I actually really love the Too Faced mascara, and I felt like this was pretty similar. Now, with my lashes, I actually always seem to have to wear a primer with a lot of my mascaras, which isn't a bad thing, but I definitely need to use a primer with this because I did have a little bit of flaking. Maybe that's why they kicked me off the PR list, because that was something that I said, I have to use a primer with my mascara or else it like flakes and blah, 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 blah. Look, it's not you, e.l.f., okay? It's not you. It's also me, all right? So calm down, don't take it personal, we can still be friends, all right? So anyways, this is a good mascara. So next, I've got the BFF Best Face Forward Clarifying Toner with AHA, BHA, HA, I guess hyaluronic acid, and then vitamin C. Okay. I don't know what the heck you've done to my account, Ipsy, but guess what? Guess who's off my poop list? You. Because you brought it in hot. Okay? So Haley's gonna be here next week because Mama's got roots. Hold on, I got a kid. Hello?
Hey, can you open up the garage door for me?
Are you here?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Love you. Hold on, guys. Oh my gosh, is it crazy to anybody else when your kids are becoming adults? I have 2 adults. It's really mind-blowing. Like, it's crazy. Okay, I don't know where I left off because my boy called. But Ipsy, okay, I think I remember. I think my left-hand turn's coming full circle. Haley is coming next week to do my roots because they haven't been done since like the end of May. I've had a lot going on, a little breakage. So she's gonna come and do my roots, and her Ipsy bag actually came too. So hopefully we'll have time to film Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, which will be very exciting because I feel like my bag finally stands a chance. That kid gets the best Ipsy bags. So I actually feel like I stand a chance to win. So anyways, let me know your thoughts. Did you get your Ipsy bag? Because I feel like I actually received my paid for bag early, which was very exciting. I've actually had this sitting in my beauty room for a couple days now. So anyways, if you are curious about my makeup, I will have it listed and linked down below. It's just actually all of it is SEINT cream makeup. Other than powders, my lipstick, I actually use that Benefit balm that we got a couple months ago in our BoxyCharm. I love it. It's so beautiful. And then I've got the chestnut lip liner from OFRA and some of my OFRA palette on my eyes. Everything else is totally my SEINT cream, and I freaking love it. Okay, anyways, making it weird. But if you are interested in a color shade match, definitely check my description box down below for the form. Shout out again to the Built Bar Puffs. These are so good. Code HOTMESS is going to save you like 10% over there. You can use that code repeatedly, and thank you if you do, because it is an affiliate code, and Built Bar just lets me keep using that code, and I appreciate it. Protein is super important, especially over 40. Also, y'all, 'tis the mother trucking season for cold and flu. Get yourself some liquid IV. Go ahead and stock up. Hotmess Momma 4, I think it is, saves you like 10 to 20% or something. They're also on sale over at Amazon, so you're gonna hear a noise. My boy's filling up his tires. Mom life. So Anyways, definitely make sure to stock up on your liquid IV. It's much better for you than Gatorade. So check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I'm getting ready to go do a Shein curve haul over there, which will be going up tonight at 9 p.m. over there. This I'm hoping to get edited and uploaded to you guys the exact same day, which is Thursday. Happy Thursday. And let's see here, shout out to my YouTube members. YouTube membership, like, y'all don't have to sign up for that, and you do, and I can't tell you all how much I truly appreciate the extra help for this channel. YouTube has been pretty wonky for a while, and as you know, I broke my collarbone, so I really wasn't able to work, which this is my income. So I definitely appreciate, and I am working on trying to figure out how to go live just for my members. I tried to do it the other day and the video just was unlisted and I couldn't interact, and so I got mad and canceled it. So I gotta work a little bit more to figure out how to do that. But once again, thank you to my YouTube members. I truly appreciate you all. I appreciate your extra support, and if you like this video, stick around, subscribe, hit that like button, be part of the crew, part of the family. I appreciate you. Anyways, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.